Hello, family of believers. Coming to you from my piano room. As we gather virtually, whenever you listen to church, we will be still singing. And I hope that you continue to sing at home. We at Redeemer are a beautiful, wonderful singing congregation, and we can still sing together. So this song that I'm going to do right now is a little bit newer, but it goes beautifully with the theme that we have coming up. And I want to be able to give you a chance to try it. We're missing the choir and all the other special music people, and so when we have those times in service, you get to be part of that at home. So this is preparing you for this weekend. So here we go. Follow along with the words.